Anong mabibili natin ngayong araw na to? Let's go! Welcome to Jakarta Premium Outlet. Ayan. Ikot-ikot tayo dito. We are now eating here sa food court ng Jakarta Premium Outlet. And ang mga in-order po namin, we have mantaw, we have kaya toast, we have quesadilla, we have mee goreng, we have nasi goreng, we have, ano to? Biryani. Let's eat. Mee goreng, seafood mee goreng. Taste the biryani. The biryani. Chicken biryani. Wala pang masyadong tao guys, but time check, it's already 12 o'clock in the afternoon, Indonesian time. Salomon. Ang time difference po ng Philippines and Jakarta is 1 hour. 1 hour late po ang Jakarta. Kung sa Philippines it's 1 o'clock, dito po 12 o'clock. Get 1, 90%, 75%, 60%. This is also 60, right? But this is mint. Okay.
That's it? May I? Thank you. Good. 60%.
Start. This one, 60%. Oh, the peanut. Okay. Banky chocolate. Ayan, no? Yan, gusto nyo sumakay ng boat. Meron ditong sakay ng boat. 200,000 Indonesian rupiah. Good for 30 minutes for 5 persons. Aloha, Pasir Puti! Holiday escapade!
Ay, picture na mo.
Donut yata ito, donut.
Ari ko nang kaluwan, pati ba, nakatang mo kami.
Ang hangin! Gusto ko yung hangin dito. Nasa beach area na tayo. Yan si Moana. Welcome to Kampung Kesil Pick 2. We will have our dinner here. Yan, papasok na tayo. After a long day,
Payak kong buha.
tayo ay kakain na. Pintu masuk.
Yes.
Makarta mo. Makangalay yan. Makangalay yan pala, oh. Okay, buri mo kanyan.
So this is our food for tonight. This is squid. This is spicy tofu. We have chicken, the shrimp, the crackers, the scented rice, and the bulalor.
Bulalor?
Yes.
Wala ka.
And of course, madam, we need to order the ngopi. The nyemel.